change in entropy when 1 mole of a substance changes from solid to liquid at its melting point is given by delta S. Delta S is equal to delta S divided by where delta S is molar value of diffusion, CF is melting point, then entropy of vaporization. Entropy of vaporization is defined as change in entropy when 1 mole of a substance changes from liquid to vapor at its boiling point. Delta S vaporization is equal to delta S vaporization divided by